Hello there, it's Hayley from SevereWeatherTV.com with the Severe Weather Outlook for June 6th. So what is happening at the moment in the Atlantic? We're up to a 70% chance of tropical cyclone formation. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. If it did turn into something, it would be Arthur. That would be the next storm name. In the United States today, 30% chance for severe thunderstorms, 15 and 5 the following days. And so, what is happening at the moment in terms of tropical cyclones? Here is the 70% area. This thing... It's not, at this point, it may well not turn into anything before it, ends up over land. However, independent of that, they are expecting this to produce very, very heavy rains with the possibilities of flash floods, dangerous life-affecting flash floods and mudslides of the sort. And then the SMN advisory, they talk about what they're actually expecting in terms of torrential rains, intense rains, and very strong rains for some of these areas. And yes, so here is a model. Here are the model overviews. So this thing doesn't, neither of those, it's kind of hard to tell whether it's going to turn into anything, but this is the interesting thing. So the ECMWF, the model on the left, tends to be the one that is a little bit more reliable, and this thing is actually predicting what may well be Hurricane Cristina. Whereas GFS, if you watch this long enough, it shows like a little bit of development. Can't say those words, but it doesn't really turn into anything. So again, we have one of those cases where the ECMWF is seeing something that the GFS is actually not. When the GFS tends to be the sky is modeled, sky is falling model, where there's hurricanes in every single place possible. So yes, that could be Hurricane Cristina. Obviously, far out in the future, we'll find out if it actually happens or not. In the US, here's an overview of the severe weather threat for the next few days. And here is what is happening at this very moment. There are apparently, 26 warnings. 3 of them for tornado warnings. 21 of them all over the place for severe thunderstorm warnings. Special marine. And here's a new thing. So let's see if I can do this real quick. Let's pretend, okay, this area, we're going to drop a new location tracking thing and see if this will work right off the top of my head. Bob, let's go with that. Bob?
Bob.
Bob. Ew, that's nice. I like that. And we're going to pretend that, I don't know. We're going to hit
Start of speech synthesis demo. There are 26 new warnings. Attention, one of your tracked locations.
Yeah, we won't do the whole thing, but anyway, that's a new feature. You can now demo it to get an idea of what it will sound like with the speech synthesis, and of course, if you don't actually want that location because you didn't mean to, you click on this thing. There you go. Yes, are you sure you want to delete it? Of course. Anyway, so that is Tornado HQ/live. That is that website there. So, in general today, here is the overview map showing the probability of a tornado. So it's both just a 5% chance, but it's an awfully large area for a 5% chance, and then 2% for even more areas. Wind-wise, 58 mile per hour and greater winds. We've got 2 different 30% areas there and there, and then hail-wise, a large area affected for that as well. So this would be the probability of 1 inch or larger hail today. Tomorrow's map, 15% chance as of now, and yeah. So here's some websites for more information that you can go to or not. And that is it for today. And have fun.